Today I'd like to share with you how I worked on a real PowerPoint slide sent to me by a researcher who was pressed for time 2 days before an unscheduled but important meeting in a different city. I was asked to give some last-minute design feedback, and to be honest, I thought this slide was a bit unfocused. So how to add clarity? First, why not use some bold background color? Usually you don't want your presentation to look like the orange robe of a Swami, but since the topic is South Asian studies, I suggested we could actually get away with that. Now for the text. It looked a bit heavy and uniform. Let's go for a font with a more current style, something that looks more like a current textbook and less like a train station sign. And titles don't have to be all bold. By reserving the bold style for just one word, teaching, we can actually give a hint that this word is special to us. Indeed, it's going to be one of the 2 themes of this presentation. But back to the current slide, and the next element is bullet points. Now, whole books were written about how to avoid bullet points or how to go beyond bullet points. For our presentation, instead of vanilla bullet points, I reordered the points horizontally instead of vertically, decreased the font size so as not to compete with the title, and rearranged the available and beautiful images to create a series of graphic items. Now this looks much more inviting than it did a couple of hours ago, doesn't it? Finally, the slide is designed for live presentation. First, the title appears, then we have enough room for 5 topics that appear click by click or automatically. And indeed, a couple of days later, I got a call telling me that the presentation went smoothly and was a success. So that's it. I am Ido of reliable-productions.com. This is what I do, and this is how I think about presentations.